Hello friends, today we will talk about the results of third lord in the 12th house. The ascendant will be Aries and I will try to explain what will be the difference in the results of this third lord going to the 12th house with the changing degree of Lagan. We will go on advancing the Lagan by 5-10 minutes and we will see that the results of that planet Mercury here will change. So here is the example in front of you. Example is of 21st of April 1973, 5:59 hours 10 seconds and the place of birth is Delhi. You see the ascendant degree is 9 degrees 7 minutes, the degree of Mercury is 12 degrees 3 minutes and here it is Mercury. Mercury is in the nakshatra of Saturn and the sublord of Moon. So you see that example in front of you that Mercury is the lord of the 3rd and the 4th house. Gemini sign falling on 3rd and 4th. And the Virgo sign has merged in between the 6th and the 7th house. The lord of the 3rd and 4th. Mercury is placed in the 12th house. So it is 3, 4, 12 significations of Mercury here. Now Mercury is in the nakshatra of Saturn. Saturn is placed in the 2nd house. Lord of 11 and 12. So 2, 11, 12. And Moon is Lord of the 5th, placed in the 8th house, so 5, 8. So what will be the result of Mercury here? For various events of life, Mercury will behave in a different fashion. You see, 5, 8, 12 is there, so it is scandalous love affair. When we talk of marriage, yes, marriage is possible, 2, 11 is there, but it is more or less a living relationship as signified by Mercury. So 4, 11, 12 is there, so property purchase is depicted, education looks to be good, as 4, 11 houses are signified. When we talk of travel, yes, that is also there, 3, 12, but coming to motherland is also depicted here. Now let me increase the time by 10 minutes and you see there is change. The timing is now 6:09 and you find that Mercury is signifying 3, 6, 12, lord of 3 and 6 place in the 12th house. Saturn is the lord of 2nd, the lord, place in 2nd, lord of 10 and 11, where Moon is now showing 2 lordships, 4th and the 5th house, placed in the 8th house. So the results will differ. Now here, the scandalous love affair changes to only physical one, and other thing, education and other things remain the same. But scandalous love affair goes to, you can, another thing that the loss in professional life also reduces. Now, increase the time by another 10 minutes. Now the time of birth is 6:19 and you see that the lordship of the 5th is taken up by Sun. So now Moon will give you that 4, 8. So 5th house goes, so there is no love affair and the losses also are curtailed. Now increasing the time another by 10 minutes, you find that now Moon shifts from 8 to 7. So now here Moon signifies 4, 7, now it is arranged marriage, no love marriage. So friends, now you see that now the ascendant is 18 degrees. We started from 9 degrees to 18 degrees and we have seen that advancement of 2-3 degrees nearly changes the result of planet altogether. But this is because the difference you see in the Chalit that sometimes the planet shifts in the house and sometimes the house's significance changes, the lordship of planets change. So this is the beauty of Nadi astrology, with which you are able to predict precisely by understanding the Chalit, Nakshatra and Samvara. You are not to remember anything, you are just to know the house's significations of the 12th house, and if you know the formulation of events also, according to Nadi astrology, you can understand and predict in a more precise manner and very easy. So if you are referring to certain books or lectures which tell you that third house lord go in the 12th house, so this X, Y or Z is going to happen, don't rely on that, just you see it yourself. Here we have taken an example 1973, you will find in 1964 or other years the results of the Mercury with the advancing degree whether Mercury is in the 12th house at this degree will also be different. Thank you very much.